everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle 300. Gorgeous car, man, finished in beautiful tuxedo black paint. It's got custom bucket seats in a black vinyl interior. Wicked cool car, guys. Fun car to drive. I love the look on this car. It's got the old steel wheel look in it. Gorgeous black paint. Car's out of Kentucky. It's got, they say, less than 100 miles on a complete frame-up restoration. It's only showing like 6 or 7 miles on the odometer, but he said there's right around 100 miles on this car since it was done. Love the red lines with the steel wheels and the dog dish hubcaps. I love that look. It's got air shocks in the back. We've got them pretty low. I kind of like this look. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes on it, power steering. Nice little thumping little 350 underneath the hood, nice cam, nothing crazy, but man, you want to talk about a fun car to drive and a car that's just got a great look to it. That car is wicked cool. Said they replaced most of the chrome and stainless, and it shows it. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick on the car. I found one scratch here on the passenger rear quarter. I'll show you that as we go around the car, but man, I didn't see a whole lot you could really nitpick on the car. Gorgeous tuxedo black paint, guys. Boy, it looks pretty, but it is freezing cold out here, man. Whew. Wind's whipping, cold temperatures, winter is here. I just left Georgia where it was 75 degrees. Look at that paint, man. You see the flag just whipping in the background. Glass is nice. Pretty car. A couple little marks there in your glass. Hopefully you can see that little scratch there in your paint. That will, I bet you put a little cut and buff to it. That might come out of there. Doesn't look real deep. Good, solid, straight body. Sorry, guys, left a little wax on there. Same thing here, guys. If you see that little wax. Nice car, man. Look how nice and flat that thing is down the sides. A little bug, man. Just got Beetlejuice in. Bought this past weekend. Man, my boys missed some wax there. Again, it's got BF Goodrich Silvertown radial red lines, 15-inch steel wheels with the dog dish hubcaps. Good sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust. Kind of shows a, yeah, I think that stuff will come out. Good looking car. Again, does have rear air shocks, so if you don't, I like it low like this. If you want a little rake to it, you can put it up in the air. Slick paint. Little cammed up 350 engine. You can see it's got the finned aluminum air cleaner and valve covers. Street Warrior Weiand aluminum intake. It's got a Holley Performance dual feed 4-barrel on it. Power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, ceramic headers. It's got an HEI distributor in it. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. 350 turbohydramatic trans. Clean car. I mean, you can see me right in the paint. It's got slick paint. It's just a leaf that's blowing over here if you see it. Yeah, I dig this car, man. This car's just got a cool look. Great sound, fun car to drive. Nitpick the A-pillar chrome there a little bit, or the window trim there, I guess you should say, not A-pillar chrome. New door handles, new door rubbers. That's just for us getting in there. Got a little dusty. New carpet, new sill plates. I can't remember what the Pro Car, I think those are Pro Car buckets. That's a removable console if you don't like it. It's got the Lokar shifter, tilt column with a billet steering wheel. Got the cool Dakota VTX gauges, Retrosounds radio. There's a receipt in there, $1,157 you paid for that doggone radio. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 10-bolt rear, no big gear. It's like a stock 323 gear, so it's definitely something to cruise. Sorry, you guys missed a little wax there. Again, you see it's all spackle coated. Really cool car. New fuel tank. Car's nice and clean underneath. Jordan actually snapped some pictures of the bottom. I was out of town when they got this thing in. Yeah, it's a cool car. A little chip there. I think same thing here. A couple little chips in the door jamb there. Yeah, those are Pro Car seats. If I remember right, these gauges light up blue, which is pretty cool. Again, the center console is removable if you don't like it. Dual chrome mirrors. Give it another little rev, Jordan. I hope you guys can hear those noisy trucks going by. I think sounds great. Big fan of that car, man. Yeah, you can see the gauges all light up blue. It's showing 6 miles. Like you said, it's got to take a little rev. Is the tach not working? Really? I know it did work. I'll have Steve check that. All the other gauges are definitely working. Huh. Great sound. Radio on. Can't figure it out. I know it's got a, you can see the little speaker mount underneath. Is it just not catching a station? There it goes. Yeah, it's up against the building too, so I know that gives them a problem. Bulb up. Put your parking light on. No, that works. Yeah. I bet you it's just, I'll check that bulb. I know that was just working. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that by checking out our website. or keep track of our social media, our Facebook page, our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Pretty car.